Hey guys, welcome back to Bubble Pop Kids. So right here in front of me, the magical microwave is back. Yes, it is finally back. My magical microwave, my little pink and purple one. And not only do I have that, I've got a bunch of Play-Doh, different colors. Alright, little sweetie pies, nothing left to do but kick off the show. Let's make some magic in this cutie little micro. It is so cute. It's pink and purple. It's got a bunch of buttons and we are going to be popping in all these different color Play-Dohs right into that microwave to see what happens. Let's do it. I am so excited right now, you guys. This is going to be kind of like a surprise show. So we got the microwave right here and we're kicking it off with some light brown and brown Play-Doh. Let's pop it in. Yummy! Look at my little creation here. Almost looks like a cookie or some cookie dough. What do you guys say? We pop it in and see what we get. Here goes. Let's set it and forget it. Let's see what happens. I could not even look. I was so excited. And you guys, I think we have, if I could pop it open. No way. It is chocolate chippy muffin squishy. Unbelievable. Look at that. The Play-Doh, it didn't smell so great. This thing smells like a fresh baked muffin. It is chocolatey, it is light and fluffy, and super slow rising. Guess this is the squishy microwave. Just what I wanted. Super funny because I've had magical microwaves bring out lip gloss and surprise toys, but I have never seen one with squishies, and this, it smells better than a real muffin. If you can believe it, it's got this pretty golden wrapper and it is super squishy. It almost feels like Play-Doh. Love it. This is the coolest. Oh boy, what's going on here? Got 3 new colors. Wow, I am so curious what is gonna pop out of this thing. So we have a light baby pink, baby blue, and a tiny white. Let's cook these. Wow, this is beautiful. Just kidding, you guys. I don't know what I made here. I got a little white, a little pink, a little blue. Almost looks like a cake or something like that. Put it in there.
Oh, this looks like a crazy cupcake. Insane.
Here we go, putting it in. Let's see this little goodie. See what comes out of here. And where's my Play-Doh? Whoa, this thing is weird. What is inside of here? Ugh. There. No way. Little booties.
Bubble, you are You're joking. The blue, white, and pink Play-Doh turned into a pink booty cake. Little baby booties. Loves it.
Are my eyes fooling me, or am I really holding this squishy? You guys, it is so cute. You know what this looks like? It looks like a cake for like a little baby shower. These are like little baby booties covered with icing. It smells like a vanilla cake. Delish. Look at the squish on it. Good one.
Rose bubble and the blue icing. They are adorbs and they smell like pancakes and squishy too. Oh, this little pink and purple micro is epic. It is like priceless. It gives us the cutest squishies on the planet. Yeah.
So there it is, squishy number 2. We got a little muffin, we got some baby booties. I don't know which one is sweeter, but they are so soft and cushy. Move along.
One more squeeze, I just have to. Both at the same time. Slow riser.
We are turning Play-Doh into squishies. I just cannot get over it. I love it. So right here, we got some yellow, like a neon yellow and orange. Let's see.
What is it? What is it? Let's add some little polka dots. Make it look like something. Here goes. Little orange cookies.
Very interesting. My little creation here. I do have to say, guys, I am not the Play-Doh master. I'm not too great at molding it, but I came up with this little thing. Find out right now. What is it gonna turn into?
Oh, this kind of looks like mac and cheese or something weird.
Squishy-teenies, wish me some luck here. I am setting it with the hot dog button. Let's do this.
What is it? It looks like a pasta shell. Let's see. Ooh. Seashell. Squishy seashell.
What is going on right now? You guys, I made that little yellow thing with the polka dots. It turned into an amazing seashell. I have never seen a squishy like this. Look, it's got those little polka dots. And it smells so good. It smells like butter, like buttered bread. Look at the squish.
Bubble, are you serious? I didn't even know a seashell squishy existed, but it's right here, and you made it out of Play-Doh. Squishy master. Look at the rise on it.
Not only does this little thing pop out squishies, it has the best quality. I mean, look at these things. They are so slow rising and nice and soft. And seashell. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. It smells like butter. Love it.
Bubble, this is a squishy miracle because the little Play-Doh dots came to life. So did the little Play-Doh chocolate chips. Squishy miracle. Still the slowest riser.
So we got 3 new squishies so far. I am just so curious to see what else is coming. We got 3 new Play-Dohs. Ooh, we got some more brown, a little more yellow, and green, like a pickle green. What is this gonna be? here we go. I got a little creative with those colors. You know, it almost looks like a green, like a baked potato with a big old chocolate chip.
Oh, this literally looks like a rotten baked potato with like a rock inside. Weird. Love to see what will become of this. Love to see. Pop it in.
Whoa, it's not even spinning. Looks like we got a little jam. What is this? Check it out. No way. You guys, avocado.
Oh, the micro turned your Play-Doh into guacamole with pits.
I am hysterical right now. You guys, that thing I put in there looks exactly like this. I think I made the perfect shape. Look at this thing. It looks like a real avocado. And it smells like cake. I don't know why. It doesn't smell like the real thing. But look how detailed. Wow. It's got the pit. It's nice and ripe. Make some guacamole with this thing. Ooh, it looks like a pickle here. So funny. Ugh, it's so soft.
Oh, avocados are so gross, but I love the squishy version. Because they smell like birthday cake.
There you go. You put a little green Play-Doh inside and you get some avocado. I mean, squishiest thing ever. Love it. I think we got time for a few more, and right up on my table, I have the empty micro. 3 new colors. We got a blue, kind of medium pink, and ooh, the baby pink again. Let's blend them.
Oh, you better blend them right and like make it cute so your squishy is cute. You get me? Okay, do it. Got a couple blue little dots, add one here. Looks good. And a little more pink on pink action. Very nice. Here you go. Look what I made for you, Bubba. Do you like it?
Not much to say about this one. I don't know what it's supposed to be. It's heavy, probably the biggest piece of Play-Doh so far. Maybe it'll be good luck. Pop it in there.
Bubba, I literally think we are going to have the best luck ever with this one. This is great. It's an amazing creation. Let's see.
Wow, is that what I think? Oh my goodness, you guys. Pony. It is like a little squishy pony. Almost looks like a unicorn. Unbelievable. It's got the same colors. Look at the blue. So cool.
Told you, Bubba, it was gonna be good. It's a pony. It's a little squishy pony unicorn looking thing.
Like I always do, I changed my favorite. I have never seen a squishy like this. It's kind of weird. It's not too slow rising, but it is so super soft. It's got little flowers. It smells like strawberry. Oh, these are all scented. Look at it rise.
Bubba, literally love everything about it. I love the blue feet, the blue mouth, and the tropical flowers. The best. For sure.
And there you go. We got squishy number 5 from the microwave. It is cooking up some really good ones. We got one more chance left. Let's do that. Bubble Teenies, this is it, the 9th inning. We got our micro and 4 Play-Doh cans.
Serious bubble, 4 Play-Doh cans. This better be good. It better be epic. Voila! Bubble Teenies, we got rainbow pancakes with berries. Delish!
So nervous, I am so nervous right now. We are putting in the final Play-Doh sculpture. It looks super good. Here goes.
Is this happening right now? A squishy cake? A tri-colored squishy cake bubble with berries. Just like the Play-Doh. It's a miracle.
Whoa, this one is making me hungry. You guys, I think it's the biggest squishy we got out of this microwave. And the squish on it is so unreal. It's like a big old marshmallow cake. It smells like fruit. It smells like a fruit pie. Look at that. So pretty. It looks like a rainbow.
No, it actually looks like a strawberry shortcake. Really does.
That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We got 6 new squishies out of that magical squishy microwave. Cutest thing ever. These were the best. They were so soft. They were all scented. Love them. And I'd love for you sweetie pies to leave me a comment and let me know out of all 6 of these, what was your fave? Hope you enjoyed it, and we are going to have so many more fun ones coming up on the show. We're going to have slime, squishies, lip balm, you name it. We are Bubble Pop Kids, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys.